Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Motorola Edge 40 Pro in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Motorola smartphones may not be the most popular in Europe and the CIS countries compared to competitors from American, Korean, and Chinese brands. However, the company has a range of great phones that offer excellent value for money. The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is one such device. The Edge 40 Pro has a stylish and unique design. The front of the phone boasts a bezel-less display that curves around the edges. The 60-megapixel front-facing camera is discreetly placed on the screen, so as not to interrupt the display. The phone is made of metal and glass, giving it a premium look and feel. The rear panel and camera module are available in several colors to add a touch of style. The phone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a standard Full HD Plus resolution. The screen's most significant attraction is the 165Hz refresh rate, which sets a new record and makes for a smoother viewing experience. The in-display fingerprint scanner and flagship-level brightness are additional bonuses. The phone's technical specifications are equally impressive. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and Adreno 740 graphics, making it one of the most powerful devices on the market. It can handle Android 13 and any other apps or games without lagging. Even when running resource-intensive games like Genshin Impact, the phone performs smoothly at maximum graphics settings. The CPU's energy efficiency is also impressive. Although the battery has a capacity of only 4,600 mAh, it can provide up to 6 to 7 hours of screen-on time. The phone supports wireless charging but only at a slow rate, 15W, so it's recommended to use the 125W wired charger for fast charging. The phone comes with either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage but does not have a micro SD card slot. The camera capabilities of the phone are also noteworthy. Even the most demanding photographers will not be disappointed. The main 50-megapixel sensor from OmniVision has hybrid stabilization, and the 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x zoom allow for an extensive range of shooting scenarios. The phone can capture moving objects at night, thanks to its impressive low-light performance. Video recordings in 8K resolution are detailed with excellent color reproduction. The phone also has high-quality stereo sound and IP68 rated water and dust resistance. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 40 Pro is an excellent phone that offers flagship-level specifications and features at a reasonable price. The phone's impressive design, display, camera, and performance make it a hidden gem in the crowded smartphone market. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.